Another beautiful morning. Let's get it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things.
What is going on, beautiful people? It's another beautiful day, guys. So, online businesses, that's today's topic. What are we gonna talk about? I know you've been seeing these vlogs lately. They're much better. They're much better than just me sitting in front of the camera and talking, I think. How I started my first online business at the age of 19, most of you would have, I had a little insight in that because I already explained it to you. I'm gonna explain two side businesses right now that you can do. One, I don't do. The other, I do, right? The first one is easy. Anybody can do that on the side, especially if you have large followings on Instagram or Facebook. And the second one is also going to lead to social media also. So I just woke up. It's a beautiful morning. Of course, when it's a beautiful morning, I have to come out and make a vlog. So it's going to be more of a vlogish kind of thing. So all I needed, guys, was a laptop. That's all I needed to get started with zero money. All I had was this, knowing what people wanted, right? So that's why you have to catch the trend all the time. And when I started this first, matter of fact, let me just explain affiliate marketing first of all, which is the first side hustle that you can do. Now you've heard a lot about affiliate marketers, and a lot of people tell you affiliate marketing this, affiliate marketing that. So let's assume, right? I'm gonna explain to you with obviously examples, because that's the only way. Let's assume this camera is something that me as a customer I'm interested in. I'm gonna go on YouTube. I'm gonna try and look at this camera to buy it. I wanna know where I bought this from. Matter of fact, I wanna know where this person got this microphone from. This could be anything. This could be this table. This could be this little slipper, right? This chair, this tripod, whatever, right? I don't know. These pillows, this book. I wanna know where the individual bought this from. So what am I gonna do exactly? I'm gonna review this, whether it's with pictures or video. I don't have to have my face in the videos or the pictures. All I have to have is marketing content, just like I'm doing right now. Let's assume you wanna buy this camera right now. You wanna know where I bought it from and where I got this from, or where I bought this table from, right? I'm gonna tell you where, because I'm gonna include a link. Right? Remember, this is all done online. I'm gonna include a link to that camera where I bought it from. You're gonna click on that link, and that link is gonna send you to the business that I bought it from. Right? Once you purchase this camera or this table or whatever, the business is gonna say thank you somehow. They're gonna have to encourage me to bring more customers to them, and they're gonna pay me commission. Right? It's automatic. It's done automatic. As soon as you purchase using my link, they're gonna pay me a commission to say thank you. And they're encouraging me. And no business, right, would say no to that. They want more customers. So they're gonna give me a cut. And that's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. So now a lot of people might be dizzy with this. They'll be like, how do I get started, etc., etc. I'll explain all of that at the end. So the second side hustle, I was gonna start moving around, but you might get dizzy with me moving around too much. Second side hustle is basically the way I started my first business. Is the same way that I started my second business, which is something that I do right now. But I don't really want to tell you what I do right now, but I'm going to tell you what I've done. The reason why I don't tell you what I do currently is because I don't want to jinx it. I told you guys I believe in, superstition, whatever. I don't want to jinx it. I don't want to kind of tell you what I do, but here's the same format that I used when I was 19. At the age of 19, and there is a vlog during this video that I'm going to explain to you also. At the age of 19, I started my first online gym clothing business, because I was into the gym, right? And this business was basically run from my laptop, which is sitting over there. Obviously not this laptop, another laptop. And all I did was create a Facebook page, grow that Facebook page with followings that were interested in the gym. So what did I do? I basically was posting things related to the gym, and people loved the content and they followed this page. And now we have over 40,000 followers on that Facebook page. And I had the best athletes, top athletes that exceed me in followers, subscribers, working with me, and they didn't even know they were working with me. They didn't even know that I was the boss. You know why? Because I was in the background. I never advertised that I was running this page. And I guess that's really what made it successful, is that when you tell people that this guy's running the page, you know, this 19-year-old still looks like a baby with no beard is running this page, nobody takes them seriously. So I never advertised, and I never went out and showed off and be like, yeah, I'm the CEO of this company. And literally, I had a person currently, a big athlete with 1 million followers. He used to work with me on that page, but never really knew me personally, because I never told him it was me that he's communicating with all the time. So I grew a Facebook page with followers. Then I launched my clothing line. I had my own design, right? And now it was time to stock them up. I didn't want to just put them online, and I just, matter of fact, I didn't want to sell online because the hassle was me packaging and selling while I was still in college, working part-time. You know, I don't want to be that person because I didn't have the time, and it was really something that I was doing on the side. But then when it came to business, I had an idea. Approach businesses, right, that have to do with the gym, like a gym, for example, or a protein shop, and tell them, listen, my friends, I'm gonna drive traffic to your business. I'm gonna drive traffic to your bricks and mortar shop, right? Bricks and mortar means an actual shop, a building. So I found someone, and I approached them, and I gave him an idea, and I said, look, I'm gonna drive traffic to your shop. And the reason why they accepted my offer is because no business is gonna say no to traffic, right? Because anybody that comes in, they might buy something from his proteins, right? They might buy a protein bar or whatever. So he's winning. They might come for my t-shirts, but they're actually coming in and they're gonna buy something also. So that's an idea that he couldn't basically resist, and he said yes. And let's have a look at the vlog where I came out and I actually met up with him years later, 4 years later. This is it's not a business partner, but he's the one who believed in me, and I met up with him 4 years later, and I explained to you guys throughout this vlog what happened. This was made 4 weeks ago. Most of you would have watched this, and then after we come back from that vlog, I'm gonna explain to you further. So let's have a look. Hey guys, see that logo there in the yellow? That's that logo, DAN. That was mine.
I'm talking now. You're on your camera.
Oh, it's just starting. The man. The man.
Leave me alone.
You shy, bro? Guys, this is the man that helped me with my first business. And guess what? I just disappeared. I never said thank you. I thought I'd say, this is the only way I say thank you, is to give you that recognition, Tomasz. So, thank you. But yeah, you see, he works out. You see that? He works out. Look, he's shy. What happened with the Instagram pictures? How come you're not shy with those?
What you mean?
You know, post on Instagram. But you can be. But then when I get the camera out, you get. Oh, look at, he's going red as well. So yeah, guys, this is the man that got me started. But one thing I need you guys to know: when you get an opportunity, don't ever let that go. Don't ever let that go. We still have those clothes. They're gone. No. They're gone. Let me give you guys a tour of what's going on in this shop. I'll talk to you in a minute, right? I know we just came in. So yeah, guys, this is just a fitness shop, and this man over here is the boss, flexing all the time. But I remember my clothes were stocked up here. This was the shelf, and I also had some here. But so guys, now we established that I created an online business. It took zero money, and I was 19. See, this business is for those who are aged 15 to 25, because you have time, and you have the drive, right? And it's easy for you to really make it in this field. So I caught a trend, which was fitness. Now the fitness industry is kind of flooded now with people and you know, businesses and clothes, and everybody wants to do t-shirts. So I had a t-shirt business, right? A simple t-shirt just like this, literally just like this, right? This isn't the actual t-shirt, but a simple t-shirt just like this, and it was slim fitted because I knew what people wanted, right? This is what they want, because I made it based on my needs. I made this business based on what I wanted. I wanted to look big, and that's the way I marketed to people. I told them this t-shirt is a must. You have to have it, and guess what? sales, right? I had sales. People were buying. Now, I don't do this business anymore because I had to make a choice between safety and business. I took safety. Right? I took the safety way out because I didn't know what I wanted to do back then. But now I'm doing the same model, guys, but with different products. Not even products, but products. I think I call them products. Different way. Also using Instagram, and I explain to you how that works, guys. So that's it. Simple, right? Online business. Now, it might seem simple to you, and I didn't have a supplier when I first started, guys. I do have a website now. I didn't have a supplier. And you see that I'm not giving you the website to this business because the thing is, guys, I let my product do the talking. I don't have to market it here on YouTube. And I never want to be the guy that says, yeah, listen, I'm behind this. I never want to say that I'm behind that or I'm behind this. I don't want to be that guy that comes out, yeah, listen, I'm the CEO of this Instagram page. Nah, right? That's not me. But I explained to you previously how that works. So just remember, when you start a business, you're not going to see any money for the first week, maybe even to the first 3 months, 6 months. But then when the first paycheck comes in, you're going to get that boost, that motivation to work extra hard. And that supplier, when I found this supplier, guys, now you don't have to sell clothes, you can start selling a service also. Well, when I found that supplier, it wasn't Amazon. Well, Amazon doesn't supply. It wasn't the Turkish supplier or Chinese supplier. It was actually in base. That was at home. And I didn't know anybody. But this guy connected me with his friend, right? So how did I approach someone with a business idea yet I didn't even have products? See, that's what happens with connections. You go approach people. Don't be afraid. If you have a business idea and you believe in it, you can talk. I was the shyest person in school, yet I did the talking. Now, you don't have to stock them in bricks and mortars like actual shops. You can start your own website, sell them through your Facebook page, your Instagram. But here's the thing that annoys me nowadays. The algorithm for Facebook has changed. So that's why we don't focus on Facebook, but we focus on tools like Instagram, Twitter. Not even Twitter, but Instagram and YouTube specifically. They're the most important things you need to focus on right now if you're going to start an online business. That's me done, guys. You know, it's a really simple idea. I know I'm moving around and hopefully you're not getting dizzy here. But it's a real simple idea, guys, and specifically for 15 to 25, if you're that person. And if you don't know how to get started, look in the description. I made it easy for you guys. Right, look in the description, and it's going to explain to you how to get started. I'll see you again for another, guys. Just like always, I appreciate you for watching. Just like always, again, keep working hard, keep pushing, and success is around the corner. And anybody that tells you affiliate marketing to this, affiliate marketing that, well, here is me explaining it to you just like we did with the camera, because I see a lot of gurus out there telling you that affiliate marketing is just the way to go, right? It might be a side hustle, but the way I explain it to you is the best way, and that's really all you need to know. When it comes to affiliate marketing, the only thing you need to know is how to get started. And yeah, that could be your side hustle. If you're that Instagram model with large followings, or if you have a meme page or an entertainment Instagram page, you're just posting useless things, then it's time to monetize that page and make money out of it. Because I know a lot of you watching, you are talented at the moment and you have all these followers, yet you don't know how to make money out of these followers. Alright? So that's a side business that I do. Not the affiliate marketing, but the other thing. I'm actually selling things indirectly, so I don't have to deal with anything. I'm just having people come across, you know, it's not drop shipping. You're gonna say drop shipping. No, it's not drop shipping. I'm selling things indirectly, so it's hard to explain my business model, but this is the business model that I use, the same as I was 19, guys. So I'll see you again for another. Just like always, appreciate you for watching. We're gonna hop on this laptop right now, and it's trading day, it's stocks day. All it takes is a laptop, guys, so don't ever be kind of fooled into thinking you need big equipment and whatnot, because you don't. Anyways, we gotta clean up. Yeah, I haven't touched this since I arrived a few days ago. Let me see this Red Bull. It's empty. See you again for another, just like always.